Thanks for making this video. If you guys remember, the last time I was talking about how you can make money online, and I made mention of affiliated program. So with the affiliate program, you can make money from there, and this is the amount that I've earned from the website. Okay, so with this website, it will help you refer your friends, and as you refer your friends, you make money from there. And with this website I'm going to show you, they help you create softwares. Okay, softwares, and also help you create a website, and also they help you buy and sell on the website. So these are some of the things that they do on the website, and when you log in yourself, you get to know more about it. So let me show you how I can just register and how you can make money from there, and how you can just get your referral link and everything about the website. So let's start with it. And if this is your first time, follow us for more videos from here, or subscribe to the channel for more videos from here. And I'll be posting on another one. Okay, another one is also there, or check in the comment section. Maybe the video is ready and the link will be in the description or the comment section, so that you can just watch that one too, and then you can make money from that one. So let's start with it. Let's go. So check in the comment section or in the description, and then you just see the link right there. Just tap on the link to register the site. So when you come here, just tap on register. When you tap on register, it will bring you here, and it is asking whether you are from Ghana or not. So I will select I am from Ghana. So if you are from Ghana, just tap on that one. When you tap on it, and then when you come here, okay, we have a starter account for 10 cedis, and also we have a personal account for 50 cedis, and then we have another one for 100 Ghana cedis. So depending on the one that we want, then you just tap on that one, and then you will register from that one. So the business account is the 100 Ghana cedis, as you see on the screen. Okay, so you select any account that you want. Okay, and then you can see we have the first one for 2 months, and then the second and the third one for a whole year. So select any one that you want. Okay, any one of your choice, and then when you come here, you just need to fill in some 1 or 2 things, and you can see you are invited by Ositek. Okay, so it also let you know who referred you. Okay, so you just have to type in or fill this form. Okay, your name, your last name, your username, your phone number. Make sure you give these correct details. Okay, because it is these that they will use to communicate with you in case of anything. So with your email, okay, make sure you enter a correct email. You enter it, and then you confirm it again. So you enter it twice right there, as you see on the screen. So kindly give me a like, and let's continue with it. So with the email, fill everything right here. Scroll down a little. As you scroll down, you can see we have the steps here for you to pay to get the starter account or the business account or the personal account that you want. So depending on the one that you selected, then you pay. So if 50 cedi, then you pay through. If you use MTN here, you can see you dial star 1 then you pay to that number. If you use Airtel to go, they have your option right there. If you use Vodafone, they have your option right there. So any one of your choice that you select, then you just go through the process as seen. So when you send the money, you can see right here that we have transaction ID. Okay, so when you send the money, you get the transaction ID, then you copy that transaction ID, and then you enter the transaction ID right here. Make sure you enter the correct transaction ID. Okay, just enter the correct transaction ID right here, and scroll down. So as you scroll down, you can see we have password. So you enter a password, and then you enter or confirm the password again. Then after that, you just tap or tick here. You just press on it to select I understand and accept the terms and conditions. So after that, you just tap on create account, and then you will get your account in no time. So when you create your own account, they will need to verify your account. So when you create the account, they will send you a Gmail to the one that you just used to fill the form. So the Gmail, they will ask you that they are now verifying, and when they finish verifying, they will let you know. Okay, so they will let you know whether they are done with the verification or not. And when they are done with the verification, one thing that you get to know, let me just log in and let me show you right here. So you enter your email and then the password when you are logging in. The one that you use, the password is the one that you use to create the website, not your Gmail or your email password, okay, but the one that you use to register the website. So if your registration has been verified, you will get your referral link at the top right here. So if you don't see your referral link at the top, it means that your account has not been verified. And as I told you, this website helps you to create a website. Also, they help you make money. Also, they help you buy and sell on the website. And also, they help you create softwares, okay, for your business or any other. Okay, so for you to know that your account has been verified, you see your referral link. And this is the referral link as you see. And this is the referral link that you're going to copy to share to your friends for them to be using it to register. So if they register, any registration that they do, depending on the one that they register, you're going to get, let's say the person register the first one, the account, which is 10 cedis, you're going to get 9 cedis for it. And as you can see, this is my the money that I've made from this website. Okay, so you just need to, it's like telling your friends about it. Okay, so you tell your friends about the website, and then when they register, they accept and register, then they become part of the Nation family, so that they can also use this app for buying and selling and also creating softwares and any other thing. Okay, so you can just go through right here on this app, okay, on this website, to check through one or two things by yourself. Okay, so let me show you one thing too here. When you scroll down below, you can see that people are selling slippers, shoes, and then a lot of things. That's the marketplace. You can just tap on from our marketplace, and then you can just get access to a lot of things to buy right there. So let's say right now you have money in the app or the website, and then you want to withdraw. Just scroll down from the home page or your dashboard. You will see that we have the phone number to receive the payments, and also we have confirmed phone number. So you just enter those things, and then you enter the full name of the number. Okay, the SIM card you are going to receive the money for, it should be a Momo number, or we have MTN, Vodafone, or Airtel to go. So any form, depending on the number that you choose, then you just input it there, then you tap on request for payment, and then the money will be sent to your Momo account in less than 1 hour. Okay, in less than 1 hour, you will see the money in your account. They don't take long with those withdrawals. Okay, not like any other type. Yeah, they don't take much time. They do it in no time. They finish up very fast. Their withdrawal is very fast. Okay, so with that one, I trust them so much. But know that this app or this site is not just for making money. The main reason for the site is for you to create websites, softwares, and a lot of things, as you see from the screen. So just go through the website and then use it for your own benefit. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again. Bye for now.